How lifestyle choices shape your long-term health. Did you know your daily habits can predict your future health? Choices like what you eat, how much you move, and how you handle stress silently shape your well-being over time. While they may seem insignificant today, these decisions leave a lasting impact on your body and mind. What you put on your plate fuels everything your body does. A diet rich in whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, supports immunity, energy, and organ function. On the flip side, processed foods and excess sugar contribute to issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Consistent healthy eating reduces inflammation and helps maintain a stable weight. It's more than just calories, it's about nutrients. Think of your diet as a long-term investment, paying dividends through better energy, sharper focus, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Sitting for hours every day. Lack of activity harms your physical and mental health. Regular exercise supports heart function, strengthens muscles, and improves mood by releasing endorphins. Movement also boosts metabolism, improves sleep, and keeps your weight in check. You don't need a fancy gym membership, just 30 minutes of walking, yoga, or dancing can create lasting positive change. Staying active now pays off later by reducing the risk of conditions like arthritis, high blood pressure, and depression. Sleepless nights and unmanaged stress are silent saboteurs of health. Poor sleep directly impacts brain function, heart health, and weight. Too much stress releases cortisol, which weakens immunity and fuels inflammation, contributing to long-term issues like hypertension and anxiety. Effective stress management, through mindfulness, hobbies, or journaling, builds resilience. Combine this with 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to give your body the reset it deserves and create a healthier mental and physical state. Living well doesn't mean perfection. Small, consistent steps over time, opting for water over soda, walking the stairs, or practicing gratitude, add up. Shifting your mindset to focus on progress instead of extremes helps you stay on track and inspired. Your life is built one decision at a time. What you choose to eat, how you prioritize movement, and your approach to rest and stress directly shape your future. Invest in habits today that lead to vitality tomorrow. Subscribe now for more empowering health tips and start your journey toward a longer, healthier, and happier life today. Let's create a future you'll be proud of, one step, one habit, one choice at a time.